The PALS Interactive Course Guide is an accredited continuing education course that provides you with a systematic guided approach that makes learning PALS simple. Step-by-step segmented modules streamline learning, while incorporated quizzes and megacode scenarios reinforce the PALS content and improve your ability to apply algorithms in real-world settings. Completion of this course guide provides you with 8 hours of continuing education when the course guide is completed within your subscription period. This short video will introduce you to the course guide, which allows you to topically and systematically cover all of the training material on the site. It keeps track of your progress so that you don't have to. You can always find the interactive course guide lesson index page in the top navigation here, and also at the top of the left navigation within the PALS area. First, make sure that you're logged into the site and then navigate to the PALS Interactive Course Guide index page. When you're within the Interactive Course Guide, you'll notice that the left-hand navigation changes, and now you can navigate within the guide and see your progress as you go. Mobile users will find the course guide navigation and progress bar by scrolling down the page past the primary content. From the course index page, when you click Expand on a lesson, you can see all of the topics that will be reviewed within each lesson. To begin, click on the lesson that you would like to review. On this lesson page, click the first topic, which is PALS Systematic Approach Algorithm. Read the instructions highlighted at the top of the page, review the content on the page, and then click Mark Complete at the bottom of the page. When you click the button, you're automatically taken to the next topic in the lesson, and now you'll see the green check mark that indicates that the topic has been reviewed. Continue like this through each topic or quiz. Once you've completed all of the topics and quizzes within the lesson, you'll automatically be taken to the next lesson, and you'll see the green check mark highlighted in the left navigation. You can stop at any time, and the course material marked as completed is saved for your next session. The next time you log in and navigate to the interactive course guide, you can begin where you left off. While working within the course guide, you can return to the course guide index page anytime by using the link at the top of the course guide navigation. Once all of the topics and quizzes are complete, you should see the green check mark on the lesson. When you're finished with the course guide, you'll be provided with a link from the course index page to receive a certificate of completion, and you can complete a 30-question post-test and evaluation to be awarded continuing education. Please feel free to email, text, or call for any questions or comments that you may have. Thank you for choosing ACLS-ALGORITHMS.COM, where we make learning PALS and ACLS simple.